our target street is down that way. We're gonna go down there in a second, but we're just looking at Ama Temple. And then we're also looking at this right here. This is Barra de Calzada de Barra, which goes up to the Moorish temples. I don't know this story of this green house. I think for some reason I have it like, I won't even say, because I might be wrong. I think I am wrong. That's a Paish, that's a Pont de Seish, that's a pier. So that is a pier over there. Goes all the way to Koloan from here up in the Macau side, from the Ama Temple side. And our target's gonna be down that way. So stay tuned. Hey, check it out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. So there's Ama Temple right there. Lots of people, lots of tour groups. And we're gonna be walking down where there's tour group buses behind me down this other street that way, and there's more down that way. We're gonna walk down that way. And so this is just super crowded since COVID ended and mainland Chinese tourists. Ooh, almost nobody's wearing a mask. It's I just realized that that's changed now. And I think we're gonna be following a tour group guide. So, well, we're gonna go past them because they're accumulating people. They're setting something up over here. Let's just see what they're setting up real quick. Or they're putting something down. Police. So it looks like maybe they're setting it up or down. I don't know which way. That's Ama Temple over there. So you can see this side right here in particular. That entrance right there, that little circle is well photographed. It's really, I forget the saying. There's a saying in Chinese there. I'll have to look at it in more detail, but actually this is our focus street right here. Rua de Tiago de Barra. So this is the one that we were focusing on. Lots of tour groups everywhere. Lots of wall murals all the way down. And we're gonna walk down and see more of it. I'm just trying to capture some of the detail here. I think this ship right here, I've seen that on, it's on one of the temple walls as well. Of course that's like more a little older hairstyle, but kind of a modern twist to it. I almost like a tour guide look. Oh, he has a camera? So I think that's because all the tourists that come here. And then those ones are like all the way down there. There's we saw those way down there, these ones right here. So let's kind of go by the tour group guide. But yeah, way down there, right about there, you can see those ones. And those are set up for tourists. Okay. So we're gonna head down Rua de Tiago de Barra. And we'll kind of follow this, and we'll follow this wall as well. It's really busy today. Yeah, so they got lots of tour groups coming in every day, just like non-stop. Just, I don't know how many would come to Ama Temple, but I'm gonna guess easily it's like what, 50 right here. So it's probably just on one bus. I don't know how many people fit on a bus, but we'll show you in a second how many buses are over here. There's another spot with more buses in another location too. That's for the temples there. And then up here, I have explored up here a number of times and it's pretty interesting. But today it's going to be about, but yeah, you can kind of meander in here a little bit. And I think we are going to briefly. We got these little traverses. Okay, looks like they actually, oh, this is realized now. This is, they changed this into a hotel. And it looks like they're still finishing it. They've had some construction for a little while. That's blocked, but this will take us, it's a little thing for cats. Take us back down. Should film these streets too, but actually I kind of wanted to I usually like to stay on my focus street. Coffee shop right there as well. Nice beautiful windows. That looks like a workout, something different right here, workout or something. So now you can see all these tour buses, right? So the tour buses come in and there's a ton of them. So we're just gonna walk down this space briefly. So that's where we're just coming from. And then this is kind of filled with tour buses everywhere around in here. And they go all the way down. So yeah, they just kind of fill up this whole parking lot. Goes down more. Okay. And then there's another spot of tour buses way down there as well. And up there goes to Peña Church, Peña Hill. And that's a popular place to overlook the whole city. I haven't been up there recently. To the right here is Navy Yards. And then to the left you kind of have some these little becos. Here's Beco da Ancora. And this one has a bunch of gyms and stuff like that. And let's go up in there. It doesn't go very deep. It goes and then there's more of it over here too. So this one goes in a little bit deeper, and then that goes up to Peña Hill up there. If I had more time, I would definitely 100% go through here a little bit and film, but I have in the past. That's called Beco de Tabaco. But actually today I am trying to go somewhere. It's part of the Navy Yards, Peña Hill. That's the other side of the buses. And then here is the Navy Yards. And over there they're building a Barra station. It's actually built already, but the trains aren't going to go there until the end of this year. The views of those apartments up there, right? Okay. So now you got a little taste of Tiago. Tiago goes down a ways. Pretty cool. Balconies. And then I think this is like a private property, but it goes right up against the rocks over there. And we'll just lead you a little bit further before we end the video. So that's where we started at, down that way. Went along the wall with all the artwork, Alma Temple, Navy Yards, and then it comes out over here. And I forget, these are like the towers of something. And we're still on our Target Street. And we're going to be ending it in a moment. So yeah, those three beautiful buildings, and they go up against those rocks there. And then, so that's the Peña Chapel of Our Lady of Peña Hill viewpoints. So it's kind of a popular place for tourists, and that goes all the way up that way. And we're not going to take that street, but I have filmed it before. If you want to search for it, you can, and you can see what it looks like. And then this is up to the Peña Hill, and then of course these ones go up against the mountains. It's beautiful painted buildings. And then there's a hiking trail up there too. You can see the trail. So that goes up to John Paul Street. And the other one is St. Tiago Street. And then this will actually end up ending just up that little bit. And then everywhere in the city we have these. These are like little typhoon markers because we had a big typhoon 2017 Kato. So now they say, oh, it's going to be 2.5 of storm surge of flooding, and then now we know we can, wherever we're at, we can say, okay, it's right about there. And that's the backside. Now you can see the backside of that Peña as well. Pretty cool. And over there is where the Barra station is at. The train station is right there as well. And I think this used to be like a police yard thing, but I don't know if they still use it like that anymore. Here comes another tour bus coming out of here, and that's going to be replaced by another one coming in over here, a green one. So okay, and that's the end of the street, right about where that corner is at. That's our street, Tiago. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.